Hello, this is Luke. Today we're going to be reviewing this bank I acquired and inherited. Its retail price is $3.99, and
Bro,
it's,
get out
it's
of my room. What are you doing here? Get out.
oh, okay, I'm sorry.
Bro. Alright, sorry about that. This is Mr. Incredible. As you can see, got it on clearance for $4. Um, I've been filling it with silver coins, no pennies or anything. That's in a separate bank. Um, the reason I bought it is because he looks goofy. And I like Goofy. Also, he's doing the attention. You know? Oh, yeah. Yeah. He's doing the yeah. Yeah. So, all right, I'm gonna review something else. Stay tuned for the next one. What you doing? All right. Whatever. There was only like $2 in there. Um. So this is a very large carabiner. This was my brother's. He just kind of left it when he moved out. As you can see, it is comically large. Um, I don't know what this is for. You can't use it for climbing because I'm pretty sure it says it specifically. I don't know, but I like the grip on it, especially. Like you don't expect to have a grip on a carabiner because it's usually not big enough to hold. But this one just so happens to be big enough to hold. So they were like, "Dang, we got to put some comfort in there to improve the customer's experience." Pretty sure my brother got this like years and years ago. Uh, I'm ballparking 5 years. Okay, triple review. Okay, CR2032 lithium batteries. These are the batteries that you have to buy on Amazon because you can't replace it with just any. Uh, these specifically I bought for a Snark guitar tuner. I already have it. I already have a battery in it, so yeah. It's I could see if it's still working. I don't know if it's still on. See if it turns on. Very nice. Um, yeah, the battery's still lasting. It's been about a year since I bought that. So, in fact, we'll review the Snark too. Why not? Um, there's a little tap metronome on it. I especially love that. Uh, you gotta put it on the actual guitar. It doesn't go by microphone. It actually goes by. Could you please stop? um, as you can see, it detected that I'm going 115 beats per minute, and it's showing. It's like doing a heartbeat to show the pulse of the beats per minute. I don't know. Yeah. That does it for this video. Um, fill out the survey below. Have a nice day. This is Jeff.